If you haven't figured it out by now, I like my base camp equipment. So here's a few that I've made with scrap pieces. These tripods you could pick up at Dollar Tree for $1, obviously. And they're kind of cheaply made, but for your action figures, it's a great little tripod. Although it kind of falls short, but it would work for different equipment like this camera. It's pretty cool because it extends pretty good, and the legs fold up, and also the head moves. This camera is from a World Peacekeeper set. I just drilled a hole in it and screwed the tripod mount into it. The top portion of this one is from an old G.I. Joe set, one of the 1/18th scale G.I. Joes. The neck and the feet of this thing is from that Rambo Freedom Fighter playset that came out during the 90s. This computer was actually like a business card holder or some office thing, and I just cut that off. I glued a set of Legos to the base of it and shoved a Lego up into the cavity of this thing. Then the bottom portion is from like a Barbie drum set or something. But it makes a pretty good little computer console at the right height of my Joe sitting. There's another office thing. It's like a paperweight. It's actually pretty heavy for a credit union or something. There's a little clock thing that you could slide in and out. I'll probably eventually replace it with some sort of monitor looking thing. I wish I had more of these. These are pretty cool. Maybe I could make one. We'll see. Well, that's all I have for you this time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Or if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. There's coming up on 100 videos very soon. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.